because we wanted to show you the less sunny sides of RV life, full-time RV life.
In which there have been a few.
We are
Or a handful.
in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and we're heading north to Appleton, Wisconsin. It's about 7:45. We have about a 25-minute drive because we're taking Hagrid, the big gray truck, back to the shop for trip number 3. So our problem in Maine, where the truck wouldn't start when it was hot, it's all warmed up and won't start for us until it cools down, that didn't quite get resolved. It seemed to get better, but not resolved. So now we are heading to a Ford dealer to take it back in to get that resolved, and a little nervous about what they're going to tell us the cost will be, but we're just crossing fingers and hoping all is well. So
Well, it's not well, or we wouldn't be driving there.
no, I mean well as far as the bill. Yes. Tolerable? We're hoping all will be tolerable when it comes to the bill. So yeah, I mean, you see a lot of beautiful pictures on Instagram and great videos and everything showing the wonderful life people can lead. This is the type of things that you don't really see. This is real life. So here we are trying to run up there and back before I need to start work for the day, before Jen and the kids need to start school and do their stuff for the day. And hopefully we can get this truck in and out before we're supposed to leave again on Saturday, which I'm also a little nervous about. This could totally ruin our next stop, unfortunately, because we need to make it back.
Do you see, he neglected to tell me that until now. We're on camera.
These are the things I lay awake at night thinking about, and yeah, sometimes it's just easier not to tell her about it. So, anyway, life goes on in an RV. Surprisingly, you have the same issues that you have at home in your RV. You just have to expect them and be prepared for them and roll with the punches, I guess.
Which have, I mean, 3 times in 9 weeks. 3. I feel like Ferris Bueller when the principal said 9 times. Yes, 3 times. In 9 weeks.
Well, I hope we get this issue ironed out. I talked to my mechanic in Colorado, and he said, no, don't wait until you get back to Colorado. Go have it checked out where you are. So it took me 6 phone calls. I called 6 different places around here to get my truck in on short notice. I don't know if this is a diesel thing or if it's just shops are busy in general these days, but yeah, it took me 6 tries to get somebody that could take my truck in, you know, on a couple days notice. So it's Thursday, no, it's Wednesday. I'm taking it in. They actually technically have me on the schedule for tomorrow, Thursday, but I'm going to take it in now in case they can pull it in early and try to have a crack at getting out of here on Saturday morning. This time around we have a 2-day drive on the weekend, which we try not to do, but we're in a little bit of a press for time, so we're supposed to drive Saturday and Sunday, and I need a truck that can do it and do it right. That's it. That's our update. Just be prepared.
At 7:45 in the morning.
Now we need to go find some coffee. Leaving our beloved Hagrid at the shop once again, getting into yet another rental car. It's not the color of Hagrid.
No. And it's a punch color in our family.
Oh, yeah, that.
Hi Guys, so we have our Starbucks for today, which if you've been following us at all, you know that is a necessity of mine. The kids and I are on our way to a best cookie ever store. Evidently, on our way to drop Hagrid off this morning, I saw a billboard that said best cookie ever, and it was for a little cafe called the Caramel Crisp Cafe, which I would never forget because caramel's my favorite. Caramel macchiato, Caramel Crisp Cafe. Totally sounds like someplace we should check out, especially if it has good cookies. So we're going to sneak over there while Dad is working and get some cookies and try them out. So hang tight and we'll show you what we get. Seriously, just standing here, you can smell all of the popcorn and cookies, and it smells to die for.
Perfect.
And a classic chocolate chip. You can pick your two. That's for Dad. Just pick your two. Sorry. I'm so sorry. We can't travel the country eating everything. Because we can't. And here they are. Best cookies ever. It even says so on the box. We're not going to try them until we get home and can share with Travis, but we're pretty excited. And Harley's begging already to eat his. We're not going to let him. Okay, so truth be told, the Caramel Crisp Cafe really does have the best cookies ever that we've ever bought and tasted. Lucky us. So we came back a second day to get a second pack of 8. Don't tell anyone. But really, if you're ever in downtown Oshkosh, Wisconsin, you need to stop here and get some of their cookies. We are members of Denver Museum of Nature and Science, though. And you're on the passport list.
Okay, you have to use TC, and this is for again?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are all set then.
So when you're in Oshkosh, you of course have to come see the EAA, Experimental Aviation Association Museum. Oshkosh, if you didn't know, is Mecca for aircraft in the summer. Every summer they have a fly-in, and this Whitman, I think it's called Whitman Airfield, becomes the most busy airport in the world, from what I understand, when that fly-in happens. So we just happened to be passing through Oshkosh this week and wanted to stop here when we got here, because this is such a cool museum and much bigger than I even thought it might be. All right, now we gotta go watch the Spaceship One. Is that what he said? Spaceship One movie.
During the time from takeoff in the white night to reaching altitude ready to launch the spaceship, it's a very difficult time for me. Mentally, sitting there with no one to talk to, and just your own thoughts, and you can't help but have some black thoughts.
Is there a start button?
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not even like anything's happening.
Is there a start button somewhere? Ooh, it's making a weird. Oh, it's starting.
Is my hair blowing around?
Yes.
Jen and I are flying a hot air balloon. It's our first time. I don't think we're doing too badly.
Well,
now,
our buoyancy is now nothing.
Now we're
And our
going
little
down
dot
fast.
is farther away. Oh, we're going to land on a
okay,
tree.
close your flapper. We're going back
It's
up.
closed.
We're going
My
back up.
flapper is closed.
All right, there we go. Look.
We don't have any fuel. Now we're on empty.
That's a bad thing.
Oh, we're going to get poked by a tree. We're going to hit the tree.
Oh, we're doing well though. Look.
Oh.
As long as we don't need to go up anymore, watch her.
Okay, I'll just hold it.
Just give it a little poof. We'll give it a
Do I
little-
let it? We're still going down. I'm not letting anything
Yeah,
out.
no, that's good. We're good. We are good. Just a poof more.
No, I don't think we need more fire. Oh, this
I
is.
am
You're
out of
gas.
fuel. Now we're gonna miss our
dot.
target.
Down, down, down we go into the tops of the trees. All right, well, it was fun while it lasted.
I love you.
Love you
It's been a
too.
good life.
Yeah.
Good job
Oh,
crashing
look
the
how close
balloon.
that tree is.
What did you guys do?
We crashed our balloon.
Oh, sorry, cows. If there's any cows under there, get out of the way. Out of the way, cows. You know
wait,
what?
wait. Maybe there's no trees and a little van can come get us.
I
I,
think
know
we're-
that vans
we landed.
exist.
We landed 395 feet from the target. That's not so bad. It's pretty
We
far.
had no fuel.
No fuel. Hey.
Okay, they make vans to come get us. I know because we've seen them, and they fly from where we live often.
We'll
And
check
then
in
the
with you
vans go.
later. We have to go take down our balloon now. Harley's going for his first hang glider ride. We're gonna miss the rest of the museum because we keep playing in the kids area. Oh! Oh, let me try. I want to try.
Why am I falling? I don't want to fall. Why am I falling? I don't want to fall. It's broken.
This is the coolest aircraft museum I've been to. I've been to a few of them around the country, and this by far is the best that I've been to, and 2 hours is definitely not enough. Unfortunately, that's all we had.
How'd you know?
Maybe because of that.
Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was built for a world fair?
Very dramatic.
All ready for this? All right. The
You
floss.
you need your stretches? You need your stretches?
We're speeding this up, right?
That's gonna be the secret. Okay, that's the magic floss, right? And then the height. Oh, I'm not whipping something? Hey guys, if you like this video, please do us a favor and make sure you hit subscribe. Click the bell icon to be notified when the next videos come out, and be sure to like the video.
And share this with your best friend and neighbor, if you know your neighbor.
And comment down below if you have any questions or comments.
And join us next week when we visit Colorado.